Hi. Hi. I'm glad you could join me today. I have my little friend Jay here with me again today. We've got so many cards and letters in. So ever since I showed him on the program, I just thought I'd show him one more time. He is the cutest little devil. And he lives with me, and we have a good time together.
Hi.
He's a little blue jay, and he's one of the neatest little
Friends.
He's very excited being here in the studio. This is something brand new to him. And he said, "You want something to eat, huh?" There, yeah. Oh, easy, easy. Isn't this a character? What do you think? Did we do all right? Huh? Did we? Or would you get right up there? Huh? Come on. Where are you going? Okay. Tell you what, let's do. Let's take a little bit of red. Make it thin like water, and let's sign this painting.
Yeah. So on behalf of my little friend, we call him Mr. J around the station here, on behalf of him, we'd like to wish each and every one of you happy painting and God bless.
Hello, and I'd like to welcome you to the 21st Joy of Painting series.